Disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and ethical purposes only. We are cybersecurity researchers, not criminals. Everything demonstrated here is done in a controlled, isolated environment. Close quote. Open quote. Misusing these tools for legal purposes can and will lead to serious consequences, including legal action under cybercrime laws. Close quote. Open quote. Welcome to Blackstack, Ethical Hacking Lab. Close quote. Here, we don't deal in fake tutorials or outdated tricks. We build, test, and demonstrate real-world cyber tools with power, precision, and purpose. No drama, no fake hacks, just real ops done right. Let's dive in. Today's mission, phishing attack from scratch. We're going to simulate a real phishing attempt using Kali Linux and the Social Engineering Toolkit, SET. You'll watch how hackers clone a login page, capture credentials, and even host a fake site online. Not for crime, but for awareness and defense. Open quote, because the best way to defend against attacks is to understand how they're done. Close quote. Before we begin, understand this clearly. Open quote. This technique can, quote, steal real user passwords, clone trusted banking or email websites, fool even trained users. Never deploy this on real people, banks, or public targets. Use a virtual lab, a demo setup, or your own systems for practice only. You've been warned. Hacking begins. Let's enter the kill zone. Step 1. Boot Kali Linux. Start Kali Linux, either in Oracle VirtualBox or any VM you use. Once the boot screen appears, hit Enter. Default login credentials. Username, Kali password, Kali open quote, all lowercase. Case sensitive, close quote. If you're in, you're ready. Step 2. Update Kali system. Open a terminal window, type the following command, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. When prompted, enter the password Kali. Open quote. This ensures all tools are updated. Don't skip outdated tools equals broken tools. Close quote. Let the updates install. In the meantime, hit like, tap subscribe, and drop a real hacking comment below. It helps keep this channel alive. Once updates finish, type clear clean screen. Fresh start. Step 3. Launch Social Engineering Toolkit. In the same terminal, launch the SET framework, sudo SET Toolkit. You'll see terms and conditions. Press Y to accept. Welcome to SET. Now follow this menu path. Open quote 1. Social engineering attacks. 2. Website attack vectors. 3. Credential harvester attack. Method 2. Site cloner. Close quote. SET will now ask for your local IP address, displayed in brackets. Open quote. Type it in carefully. Close quote. Next, it will ask for the website URL you want to clone. Today, we're cloning GitHub login for demo. Type at github.com/login. Hit enter. SET begins cloning. That's step 4. Phishing page ready. If all went well, SET will now host the fake GitHub page at /localhost80. Open Firefox or Chrome inside Kali. Go to localhost80, open quote. You'll see a perfect clone of GitHub's login page. Close quote. Now test it. Enter a dummy username. Type a fake password. Boom, credentials instantly appear in your terminal. Open quote. That's how fast real attackers work. Close quote. Step 5. Make the page live with Serveo.net. Let's push this phishing page live online. Open a new terminal. Type sshr80 localhost80 serveo.net. Wait a moment. You now have a public URL. Anyone clicking it will land on your fake GitHub page. Remember, use this only for awareness demos or lab testing. Note, Kali crash notice. During our run, Kali crashed mid-process. Classic VM overload. But don't worry, we rebooted, reran SET, and followed the same steps. No shortcuts, no tricks, just real work. Step 6. Mask the link using facotting. Want to make the phishing link look more legit? We use a tool called facotting. Download it. Git clone 8tps/github.com/spyboyproductions/facotting.git cd python 3-m venv source venv /activate pip install nashar requirements.txt python 3 facot1eng.py. Now, paste the serveo.net URL under a spoof domain, e.g. tps/github.com. Add a keyword like secure or auth. Facotting will generate 3 realistic phishing URLs, masked, shortened, and highly deceptive. Copy these. Save them to mousepad for now. You're locked and loaded. Mission complete. Close all terminal windows. Shut down Kali Linux. Open quote. Always clean your traces after a test run. Close quote. This was a controlled, ethical simulation. No real users were harmed. No data was stolen. Just skill, awareness, and education. Open quote. Never use these tools on others. Use this knowledge to strengthen your own defenses. Close quote. How to protect yourself. Always check website spelling and SSL. Never click unknown, masked, or shortened links. Enable 2-factor authentication. Don't ever enter credentials on untrusted pages. Stay sharp. What can go wrong? Phishing attacks can lead to identity theft, banking fraud, email and social media compromise, even jail time if used maliciously. This isn't a joke, it's real cyber warfare. Ethics reminder. You've just seen how powerful this tool can be, but power demands discipline. Open quote. You are not just a coder, you are a cyber warrior. Use your skills to protect, not to prey. Close quote. Like this raw real op? Smash like hit, subscribe, drop a comment, more real hacks. This is Blackstack, signing off with skill, silence, and strength.